Explore extreme terrains with the Munro MK-01 electric pickup truck. Munro Vehicles, a pioneering Scottish electric vehicle startup, has just revealed the MK-01 pickup, an all-electric SUV designed for those who thrive in challenging conditions. Built on the success of Munro's MK-01 utility truck, boasting 371 horsepower and off-road features like full-time all-wheel drive with locking differentials, the MK-01 pickup is tailored for consumers in demanding sectors such as mining, construction, utilities, agriculture, and defense. In its performance version, this robust pickup packs a punch with a 375 horsepower electric motor and 700 Nm torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 4.9 seconds. Choose between a 220 kW electric motor and utility or range variants, providing versatility to meet various needs. Powering the MK-01 is an 82.4 kWh battery pack, capable of quick charging from 15 to 80% in just 36 minutes using a 100 kW DC charger. With a full charge, the MK-01 offers an impressive range of over 305 km, allowing it to operate off-road for up to 16 hours on a single battery charge. The rear bed of the Munro MK-01 pickup handles a payload of 1,050 kg, while the performance model steps it up with a maximum brake towing capacity of 3,500 kg, making hauling loads a breeze. Equipped with a standard 4x4 manual transmission and a 2-speed central transfer case with a locking differential, the MK-01 is ready to conquer any weather or terrain. Whether you're navigating through mud, snow, or rocky landscapes, the Munro MK-01 ensures you stay in control. Elevate your off-road experience with Munro MK-01, where power meets practicality.